Hi everyone, this is Asal and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do plump lips Gua Sha exercises. The first thing that you have to do is just to moisturize your skin. Right now, I'm just using this moisturizer all over my face and the areas that I want to massage, which is around my lips and also my cheeks. And also don't forget to wash your Gua Sha and put it in ice if you prefer it cold. I just washed my Gua Sha and it's clean now, so let's start. The first exercise that I'm gonna do is to work on the lower lips muscles. The thing that I'm gonna do here is to move up from the chin to the side of my nose with this side of my Gua Sha. So let's start. And the other side. And 10. Let's go to next exercise, and that is this movement. I'm gonna just come upwards like this, starting from chin and finishing on the lip corner. Doing this again for 10 times. And the other side. So the thing that we are doing here, making the muscle longer. So let's go to the next exercise, which is for mouth corners and lifting the cheeks area, which is this area. So as you can see, if I lift this area, my lips will go up and it will look plumper and bigger. So I'm doing the same with this side of my Gua Sha, moving from here to the ears upwards. Doing this for 10 times. See, it makes my lips look plumper and it lifts the lip corners and the jowls. So when you are at 10, just massage like this on this area and then come down on the neck. Okay, let's go to the other side. So as you can see, I'm holding my Gua Sha in an angled position. So I'm not holding like this straight to my skin. I'm just making it slightly angled like this, and then I'm moving upward. Then a little massage here, and then coming downwards on the neck so slowly. Okay, see, even now it's lifted, and you can see that these areas are getting lifted. And okay, so the thing that I wanted to mention and I forgot, so apply lip balm or lipstick on your lips before starting your massage, because you know, when you are just pushing and pulling the skin, your lips are just, you know, getting like this, and you have to apply some moisturizer or lipstick at least on your lips so you won't get any cuts on your lips, and also it looks beautiful. The next exercise is for the muscles around our lips. The thing that I'm gonna do is with this side of my Gua Sha, I'm gonna just start moving around my lips 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. I start from the middle here and I go like this, so slightly around my lips. You shouldn't also talk, but because I'm just making a video, so I'm gonna talk. But usually you shouldn't talk while you're doing this exercise. Nine, 10, finished, and then we are going back. Ten, I think I'm getting more. Okay. Even right now, I can see the results. Next move is to lift the upper lips like this, and the thing that you're gonna do is to lift it like this upwards for 10 times on each side. This exercise is also good for smile line and unfolding nasolabial folds. So just slightly and slowly, I'm just turning my gua sha like this. See? For the last move, I'm gonna just move to my ears like this for 5 times. And then I'm gonna massage like this slightly. Then I'm gonna come down on the neck 5 times again. On the other side, I'm going up. Five, massaging. Then I'm moving downwards on my neck for 5 times. So easily like that. You can see even now my lips looking a little plumper and lifted. So I'm not gonna talk for you to see the difference. So even my lip corners are lifted a little, the jowls are lifted, and my upper lip is lifted. With massages, you are just, sculpting your face. Actually, you're not changing anything. You are just working on the things that you have already on your face. But because we don't do any exercises on them, so they get tired, they get stressed, and the muscles are just, getting shorter. And as they get shorter, they are just gonna be like this. So this was it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to ask me any questions that you have in the comments down below. You know that I reply to everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.